Hello there, I am Clare Harvey-May, and today in this short video I'm going to show you how to use the multiple exposure and overlay features in your Olympus cameras. Really simple setup to show you the process. Camera, single light and something bright to photograph on a black background, but stay watching until the end because actually there's some really creative things you can do with these features. So let's get on. For multiple exposure you can use JPEGs or RAW. So the camera takes a single shot. You can then see an image in the background of which you can shoot a second image over the top. Nice and easy. The joy about the overlay feature is you can keep going back into the menu, switching on the exposure and switching on the overlay to just keep creating more and more and more shots on top of each other. So I'm going to recompose again. I'm going to autofocus again. Actually, I'm going to move that orange a little tiny bit more over there. Refocus again. Take another shot. And you can see that you're starting to build up lots and lots of images. The other way to use overlay is play back a raw image, press OK, scroll down into the image overlay menu. You can then merge 2 or 3 images that are already on the card. I'm going to go for 2. I'm going to choose that one. And you can change the density, so beef up the colour and the exposure a bit if you want to. Press OK, and yes. And again, another way to use overlay feature. There you go. That is overlay. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Stay home and stay safe.